Hi, Tina.
Hi, teacher.
Good morning. How are you? Wait, what's that? What are you eating?
Bread.
Bread. Okay. I thought it's empanada.
What's empanada?
Wait, let me show you. It looks like that. But that is just bread. Is that your breakfast?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're not going to eat rice? See, it looks like this.
But I don't want that.
Oh, not that. Okay. So now we'll continue to our discussion. So in here, Tina, we will have find the difference. But actually, it's a little difficult to find the differences here because they are in different pages. So can you see it clearly if it's like that?
No, I
No?
can't.
No, you can't. Wait. Let me see what I can do. What about if it's like that? Can you see
Is
it?
that is perfect.
Oh, is it perfect? How come it's perfect? Wait, no, we can't do it like this. Only like this, Tina. Can you
Okay,
see it clearly? Oh, that's perfect. Thank you. Okay, so while you're enjoying your breakfast, you can start encircling, and yes, afterwards we'll talk about the differences.
I can tell, but I don't like to circle.
Okay, yeah, I can encircle it for you then.
In the first picture, the snowman is sad, but in the second picture, the snowman is happy.
Okay, next one.
First picture, the snowman has have a bird on his
Okay, there's a bed on the snowman's hat. But,
But the next picture, the snowman didn't have that bird on his hat.
mhm, okay, there's no bird. Okay, next one.
In the first picture, the girl didn't have anything on her. Oh, in the first picture, the girl one of she didn't wear gloves, but in the second picture, she did wear gloves.
Okay, mittens.
In the first picture, the girl is holding a ball,
Snowball.
a snowball on her one of her hands. But in the second picture, wearing anything
Okay,
in her hand. She just wear mittens.
yes. Next.
Hmm. First picture is no the boy is throwing snow bubbles. In the second picture, the boy is throwing uh the ball.
Okay, very good. Next one.
First picture.
Yeah,
There's
we have
a
a lot
car.
of differences here.
There's a
Okay,
car in the house. In the second picture, there isn't a car in front of the house.
okay, so there's a horse in the first picture, but in the second picture, there is a car. Okay, next one.
In the first picture, there's a line, a red line. But in the second picture, there isn't a red line.
No, not that one. That's not included. Are you referring to this one?
Yes.
No, that's not part of the picture. That's not part of the picture. Focus here.
In the first picture, in the first picture,
We still have more.
I still have one more.
No, not one more.
I still have three more.
Okay, more than that, Tina, more than that.
In the first picture, oh, there's a woman playing with that boy
Okay, yes.
the snowball. But in the second picture, it isn't a woman, but it's a man.
Okay, very good. Next one.
In the first picture, there are two boys skating with each other, but in the second picture, there are two girls skating with each other.
Okay,
In
aside from that,
okay.
what else? What have you observed about this two boys and the second one two girls?
In the first picture, there are 4 trees.
Okay.
In the picture, there are just 2 trees.
Yes. Next one.
Speed up.
We have more.
I think so. There's more.
Yeah, we have more. More.
Oh, I know now. The boy and the girl is coming up, coming down. The first picture, but there's a second picture. The boy and girl are skating, are coming up.
Okay, yes. No, not all yet. We have more.
So can you give me a clue?
Look at the picture. Okay, so look at the snowman.
Oh, I think there are 2 more.
Two more? No, not two more. More than that.
In the first picture, the snowman is wearing a blue and
Blue and red.
stripes.
Okay. Scarf.
A striped scarf. But in the second picture, the snowman is wearing a circle, so I mean a dot scarf.
Okay, yes, that is correct. What else? What else?
Picture, the dog is behind the tree, but in the second picture, the dog is in front of the tree. In the first picture, that's all.
No, that's not all. Not all. We have more. More.
One more.
No, not one more.
Huh?
4 more.
in the first picture, the boy is wearing
What do you call that? Is that orange? It looks red to me. Red coat.
orange coat.
But
In the second picture, the boy is wearing a blue coat.
okay, next one.
The first picture. I don't know anymore. Can you give me a clue?
Look at the boys and girls.
What's boys and girls?
See, you told me earlier that in the first picture there are two. Yes, there are two boys, but in the second picture we can see girls.
That's I have told before.
So in here we can see as well the differences of the clothes that they're wearing, Tina, unlike in here. Mom is playing with her children, but in the second picture, dad is playing with the children. And you can see they're wearing the same thing. But in here, you can see that the boy, I mean, is wearing purple coat and blue jeans. But in here, we can see a girl wearing purple coat and blue skirt, and this time she's wearing a red scarf. However, in the first picture, he is wearing a purple scarf, and the other one, he is wearing red red coat. No, not red coat. Green coat, green scarf, and blue jeans. But in the second picture, we can see that she's wearing pink hat, pink scarf, purple coat, and pink skirt.
But that's more than 4.
Yes, more than that, right? And see in here, it stopped snowing. It stopped snowing, but in here it is still snowing.
Oh, so I think it's some dots.
Oh, you thought those are just some dots? No, not just some dots. See, we can see it's very clear in here, but in here you can see that it's still snowing. Okay, so that's all it for this picture, Tina. Now, next one, we'll proceed here. Information exchange. Okay, so yes. So in here, I know everything about Tom's flat, but you don't. So I want you to ask me questions. I know. I mean, I will be answering questions, Tina.
Where?
Okay, so again in here, you know everything about Tom's flat, but I don't. So I will be asking you questions because after that, you will be asking me the same question about Jim's flat, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now, can you tell me where is Tom's flat?
I'll tell all the answers. In the first Tom's
No.
in the green street, but the next one is Tom's class is on the ground floor. In the second picture, Tom's is
What?
Tom's school is old, but in this next answer is Tom's school have 9 rooms. 9 class. 9 rooms. And Tom's class don't have balcony.
Thank you. But we are not talking about a classroom here. We're not talking about the school. It's Tom's flat. Do you know what a flat is, Tina?
No.
It's just the same as apartment. Where it? Oh, you don't know? It's just the same as apartment. Tina, apartment and flat, they are the
Kanho.
same thing, okay? Kanho. Okay, yes, that is right. Okay, so, which means that Tom lives in Green Street, specifically on the ground floor. His flat is old, but it has 9 rooms and no balcony. Okay, so now I will be answering your questions. Okay, can you ask me a question for the first one?
Where is station? Where is Jim? Are you saying something?
Jim's flat is in Station Road. Next one, Tina.
What floor did
Is
it's Jim's it's Jim's room.
okay, Jim's flat is on the second floor.
Oh, is the flat old or new?
It's a new flat.
How many rooms did the flat have?
Okay, it has 6 rooms.
Do the flats have Jim's flat have balcony?
Yes, it does. Okay, so that is it. Tina, now we'll proceed to telling a story. I want you to look at the pictures given here and tell me a story.
Mom was very tired. Then she comes to see her children. Then she sees that her children's rooms are dirty and messy. So that so she comes down and says her girls, her daughter that go up and tidy the room. Then they come up, then tidy the room. After that, Mom comes again, and Mom said that it's still a bit messy. Look over there. There's our blankets. Haven't cleaned yet. Let me see. Then Mom opened the door. Mom gasped. Everywhere is our toys. Then
Then,
the children sneaks out of the room. When Mom opened that door. Finish.
okay, that is a funny story. Thank you so much, Tina. Okay, see, we can see in here we can see the children's bedroom was very. Oh, you're not yet done eating? Continue eating now. Okay, so the children's bedroom was very messy. Clothes, toys, books, blankets were all over the floor. Their mother was not happy and saw when she saw the room. So the children were watching television instead of cleaning their bedroom. So their mom told them to tidy up their room. But to our surprise, they only cleaned up the things that are visible to their mom's eyes and placed all their toys in one room without tidying them up. So, in the fourth picture, we can see that mom went to their room and saw the scarf. So she opened the door to maybe to fix the scarf, but ended up seeing all the trash. No, not the trash, all the toys not being organized by her children. And now she is mad again. And the children, they are sneaking out the room while laughing. Okay, what about you, Tina? Do you clean your room?
Yes, I do.
Oh, do you clean like them or no?
I don't like them.
Oh, not like them. Okay, that is good. Do you make your bed?
I do make my bed.
Wow, you're very responsible, Tina. What else do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and go to practice some exercise.
Mm,
Then
and
I eat first, but I haven't eaten.
yes, and it's just a bread. Okay, you should finish eating now, Tina. Okay, so we'll proceed in here. Since you don't want to encircle, then you really have to talk, Tina, and in that way, you have to stop eating. Okay, so let us have this one now. Find the differences.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like differences. There are too many.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so we can just talk about what you will do after our class. What will you do? Lina will go. I think she went to her math class already, right? Did she? Oh, not yet. What about you? What will you do after our class, Tina?
I will learn.
What will you learn?
I'll learn everything.
Okay, nice. Tomorrow is weekend. What are you going to do?
Mm, I'm going to play all day.
Oh, you're
First,
going.
school. Then
Do
I
you
will
learn on the weekends or no?
Just a bit.
Oh, just a bit, not like on the weekdays, right? Do you have a badminton class?
Today.
Oh, today, just like Lina. I see. Did you swim in the morning? Did you go to the pool?
Today?
Yes?
No. I just
No.
go on Monday.
Monday?
Uh,
Just on
Wednesday.
Monday? Oh, Monday and Wednesday.
No.
What is it then?
Uh, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow you will go to the pool. What's the weather like in your area today? Is it hot?
A bit hot, but at night it will be
Cool.
a bit cool. So we must turn on the
On.
cool machine,
Aircon.
the air can.
Okay, I see. So enjoy the rest of your day, Tina, and I'll see you again on Monday. All right? Goodbye, dear Tina. Take care. Not night night, but take care.